What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. So we have a big update for Baby Doge, and it's been a while since we got a big update. It's a really big listing. This is pretty good for us. Obviously, it's not the largest exchange, but it is an upcoming exchange and upcoming crypto and blockchain at that. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and definitely check out my other channel, Marsellis Travels, if you want to see my travels out here in Brazil. But let's get straight to it. So this is pretty exciting. We now have this listing for Bitger. This is Bitger, or if you want to call it Brise, it's for the Brise blockchain. Bitger is the crypto on there. So yeah, that's pretty big because if anyone doesn't know, Bitger has actually been creating a huge community, and it's a pretty good blockchain as well. So it has one of the world's fastest blockchains as they crown themselves, in almost nearly zero gas fee blockchain. So it's pretty much one of the best blockchains that are up and coming. I would say that. But yeah, I think this is definitely pretty good. You can build on Bitger if you want. It's scalable. So you can definitely go ahead and build on Bitger if you want to do that. And this is the price history of Bitger. It had a huge run up last year. So yeah, it was really big. Like a lot of money was starting to flow through it, and it never really hit its full potential. It's only at 110 million inside of market cap. So it has a smaller market cap than Baby Doge. Baby Doge market cap is at about 200 million, and then Bitger is over here at about 110 million. And the fully diluted on Bitger is about 280 million. But Bitger is definitely up and coming. I definitely have high conviction with it. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Just kind of talking about stuff that I like. And I do like Bitger. I do like Brise. Right now, I currently don't own any, but I'm looking to go ahead and get some more because I was into the whole Centkex, and that was an exchange that was kind of similar to Bitger, but I haven't really looked too far into Centkex as much as I have Bitger. And throughout my research with Baker over the years, I was just grown to like it, and now I'm finally about to get into it. Like I didn't want to get into it when it was at its peak, but since then it's actually dropped a lot, like massively. So I definitely think I'm gonna go ahead and get in from it. But yeah, Baby Doge right now is at a pretty good standing point. It's doing fairly well in my personal opinion, but hey, like I said, it's my opinion. But I still believe that Baby Doge has huge potential, and so does Bigger. But anyways, you can see over here we have 1,651,904 holders now on Baby Doge. So that's really good. So yeah, if you want to look at the exchange thing here, you can just go over here, Baby Doge to Brise. So it's on the Baby Doge to Brise pair. It's not on the USDT pair. I don't believe it's only on the Baby Doge to Brise. Actually, no, this is the USDT pair. All right, I had to make sure of that. But yeah, this is pretty good for us. I mean, it's really good actually. So you could also probably see over here, yeah, right there at the bottom. There it is. So yeah, Baby Doge to USDT pair. If you also want to do Brise, they have Baby Doge to Brise pair. But you know what's really cool on the exchange when you're looking at it? This is for the light exchange, not the advanced exchange. But the only other pair they have is Sheeb to Brise and Baby Doge to Brise. So they kind of crown us and kind of put us next to Sheeb. We're inside that same category. And you see where Sheeb is. Sheeb is way up there on the list as in market cap. So the fact that we're right next to Sheeb, and that's the only two that they have for the Brise pairs, is the Baby Doge to Brise and Sheeb to Brise. That's pretty exciting to see. Right now, there's currently ETH pairs, but there are Bitcoin pairs here on Brise. So ETH to BTC, BNB to BTC, and all that other stuff. XRP. A lot of people ask, hey, where do I buy XRP? Because a lot of exchanges, they don't want to touch it because of the lawsuit. But here it is on Bitger on Brise. So you can do Brise to be you can do XRP to BTC, TRX to BTC, all those other pairs there as well. And then you have the USDT pairs as well. So I think that it's a fairly good option. You can also get Brise Bitger on the Binance Smart Chain if you want to check that out. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to do a whole video on Bitger and Brise and just kind of break it down for the beginners. And then I'm also going to talk about some updates coming up soon for Brise and Bitger for the more advanced people that have been in for a while. Because, for the people that don't know, we have the Bride's Paradise, which is literally an island in the Maldives. And they literally purchased this property, and they're building up like a hotel for prize holders and for BitCurt holders. So this is pretty cool because that's one of a kind. No crypto community has done that, and they're literally setting up a foundation. They've almost done building it. I wouldn't say almost done, but they've already done the excavation. They done almost everything. Like they're doing the structuring right now, putting up the steel pillars and doing concrete. So they're really like already done the foundation, and now they just got to put the walls together and all that good stuff. So it's going very well. So I'll definitely talk about that on the Bryce BitCurt video whenever I do that. But yeah, BitCurt is definitely on the rise. That's why they call it Bryce. But yeah, it's a pretty good crypto in my personal opinion. But it's definitely exciting that we have Baby Doge on there. And as you can see, they just now did the sheep to Bryce pair. So now they're starting to do these crypto to Bryce pairs. And the first ones that they've done has been Baby Doge and sheep. They did sheep yesterday. They did Baby Doge today. So actually, no, they do them both on the same day. But anyways, still, that's pretty good. But yeah, trading is now live for both of these pairs. So I'm definitely excited for that. Now, I like to talk about technical analysis here. So we're just going to go over Baby Doge very briefly. And then we're also going to look at my my farming journey on Baby Doge swap. But anyways, here we are, 9Z94. Well, 9Z939, but 9Z94, just to make it simple. So as you can see here with Baby Doge, we are slowly but surely getting back down to our previous levels. But we already know Bitcoin is what everything is following. And there's actually a signal being thrown up on Bitcoin that could actually be seen as bullish. You can even see here on the Baby Doge chart that is showing that we are bullish by 60%. Bulls are in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. That's just the last 24 hours. And as you can see here, we had a little bit of an increase in the last 24 hours. If we go back to the 15-minute chart, it was a small, slight increase here. And then we started to go down from there. So you can see from right here, we were increasing and then we're starting to go down. So hopefully we can continue this and keep it up. But as for Bitcoin, because really this is what everything's following, if you're looking here at Bitcoin, first looking at the 15-minute chart, since it's temporary, we are hitting an overbought area temporarily. And you can see here, this is overbought on the oscillator, that huge green buying wave. We're getting rejected right here at this red resistance area. And that is pretty much our supply and demand of less demand. We're getting rejected here. And we got rejected here multiple times. Right back here yesterday, we got rejected. And then today we got rejected here 4 times. And the 4th time is right now. We're being rejected at that same area right now. So we are probably going to end up pulling back here to this high activity area at about 16.7K. And I think from there, we may have the possibility to rise again. So that's very important because if you look at the 4-hour chart, it also says there's a high activity area for institutional investors and dark pools. And looking at the chart here on the 4-hour chart, you can see on the oscillator, it's showing that there was a bearish signal and we already had that selling. It was a very small amount of selling. We may have a little bit more after that. We may have another red selling wave, right? But what I believe could be happening is this high activity could be high buying activity. There's been a lot of speculation inside the markets that we're probably about to have another increase. And a lot of people are talking about maybe the Fed's lowering the interest rate very briefly. Like, I don't know if this is true. They say buy the rumor, sell the news. But hey, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. And I just believe that it could quite possibly do this. So this is temporary, like I said, though, because I still believe 2023 is going to be bad for crypto. I still believe we're going to be inside of a bear market predominantly for the rest of the year. And see if this happens, I believe towards the end of the year, maybe like late December or sometime December towards the end of the year, we should have an increase going into our bull market into 2024. That's what I believe personally. I believe that we could have that bull market going into 2024. But yeah, like I said, we could have a temporary increase, bringing us back up to 18K, quite possibly back up to 20, but I don't know if we'll run up to that far. But if we do, I'm already starting to buy some more. So I just now put, I didn't put much in. I only put like another 100 inside. But I'm just going to slowly but surely start to increase my holdings. I bought some crypto.com coin and I bought some BNB. and I'm not able to send my BNB to my Trust wallet until like 7 days or something. And I'm probably going to get some more baby Doge because I'm trying to harvest. And that brings us to the next section of the video. So I'm going to be doing my harvest here. Right now, you can see I have $12.96, but I don't have enough BNB for the gas fees to do the transaction for the harvest, which sucks. I have like $1 in BNB. It needs like $1.90 for the gas fees. So I got to wait for that. But anyways, I got $13.10 right here inside of Baby Doge. So that's pretty good. Obviously, the price dropped since I put in $82. But now since the price dropped, it's down to $66.96. But if you do the math and add $66.96 and you add that $13.10 that I got from farming, I really didn't lose anything. And now I have more Baby Doge coins, which means that once the price goes up, I'll be seeing the benefits of my farming. And that's why I'm going to be holding long term. And then I'm going to reinvest this, and I'm going to keep doing this, and I'm going to keep doing it and doing it and doing it, and eventually until I have thousands of dollars in there, and I'll keep reinvesting my harvesting rewards, and I'll keep on harvesting. So that's my plans here. And then I'm going to be talking about crypto.com coin a lot more on this channel because I'm really bullish on Crow, and I think it's a really good option. And honestly, I know they say you shouldn't hold cryptos on exchanges, but I think the crypto.com card is probably a good option. But like I said, this isn't financial advice at all. I'm not a financial advisor. Me personally, I'm probably going to put my Crow on my DeFi, my crypto.com DeFi wallet, because they have their own DeFi wallet and you can still stake on the DeFi wallet. You're just not going to get the benefits of holding it or staking it on the centralized exchange with the card. You're not going to get the card benefits. But I guess for now, I'm going to try it. I'm going to stake some more of that crypto.com's, that Chronos on the crypto.com app, the DeFi app, because you can still stake for rewards on there. And I think the rewards are actually a little bit higher. It's like 10%. Whereas if you want it to 10% on the card, you're going to have to put a little bit more money in. But yeah, that's just a breakdown of what I've been doing in the crypto space and what I'm about to continue to do. And I am going to start dollar cost averaging in. I already started. So yeah, I've been waiting until things kind of settle. I do understand that we probably will go a little bit lower. Personally, I think we're going to still hit 10 to 14K, but buying at 16K as opposed to buying at $66,000, like there's a huge difference there. Like that's why I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and start buying now, and I'll buy from 16K all the way down to 10K. I think it could do 10K. Maybe it only goes to 14, but you get the drift. But anyways, let's talk about Baby Doge a little bit more here. So you can see the total value locked is now at 39.28 billion for Baby Doge. That's pretty good. And actually, you can see down here, I think we're like rank 131 now. Yeah, 131. And that's pretty good because we're up 8.74% in the last 24 hours for Baby Doge swap. So we're now at 30.13 million. And you got to think, there are a lot of DeFi apps out there, but you can see Baby Doge at rank 131. We're already one of the largest crypto communities. Now we're about to become one of the largest market cap cryptos, already becoming one of the largest DeFi exchanges. And yeah, we're really rising inside of Baby Doge. Shiba Swap at 149. Sheep Swap, it has so many different people on Shiba Inu, but their swap is lower than ours. That just shows the power of Baby Doge. The power of Baby Doge is huge. It's massive. Shiba Swap is up 10% in the last 24 hours though for its DeFi. But hey, we're almost up here. I'm really trying to see us in the top 100 and then eventually in the top 50 and top 20 and the top 10. So first we got to get past the top 100, and we're actually almost past it. All we need is to have 48.7 million inside of our total value locked, and I do believe that we can actually do that. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And definitely check out the links in the description if you want to check out my other channel, Marsellis Travels. I'm out here in Brazil, about to do some more vlogs out here. So yeah, definitely check that out. And as always, I'll be back with another video.